Hey everyone, Isaiah here at SOPHOS Survival. Let's talk water preparedness. In an emergency situation, water is your #1 resource. You carry what you can, but it's really hard to carry enough for an extended emergency situation. You need a way to collect and clean more water. All right, I'm going to introduce you to the VFX water filter. This thing is awesome. Let's unbox it and see what you get. All right, first off, you have this really cool little breathable carrying bag. You got the VFX water filter itself. You have this adapter and washer. This is a flow tube so that you can attach this thing to multiple different sources. You've got your gravity bag. This thing is awesome. It's nice and durable. Carries, looks like a little over 3 liters, 3.5 liters. So you can use it for gravity or just collect and carry more water with you. And then you have a syringe to back flush and extend the life of your filter. So this whole thing is super lightweight and durable. It's awesome because it just fits in this little bag and you can stuff it in your survival kit, backpacking, you put it in your glove box. The thing I love most about this filter, it is so versatile. You can hook it up to so many different things. So it comes with this little adapter. You can screw it onto like a 1 or a 2 or a 3 liter bottle. Anything with these coarse threads like this, so you can use it on a outdoor spigot, you can use it on the tap, you can use this gravity flow bag, and all you have to do is just screw it on. Got these little seals so that the water doesn't leak. You're in business. I love having a ton of options because you never know what situation you're going to be in and you want to be able to adapt and get the water that you need no matter what. All right, so this is a 0.1 micron filter, so it's super tiny. Basically, it'll filter out bacteria, protozoa, microplastics, all the nasty stuff that'll get you sick in a situation like this. So this thing is perfect for backpacking, camping, hunting. Maybe you're out in the middle of nowhere, you need to collect more water, grid down situation, power outage, you name it, VFX is gonna get you by. All right, check out that nasty water. Let's filter it. So I'm just gonna screw that on there about halfway, make sure that O-ring is in there, flip that thing upside down. Boom, check that out, so awesome. It's got a super high flow rate, so about 1 liter a minute, and you can collect a lot of water quickly with this thing. One of my favorite things to do is I carry around a Nalgene bottle, and you can squeeze your clean water right into your Nalgene bottle. Yeah, check that out. All right, next favorite thing about this filter, this gravity bag. So you just slip off the top, open that up. This has a little flow stopper there. You can just squeeze that so water doesn't come out. All right, so then I'm gonna screw my filter right onto that connection point. Find a spot to hang it up in a tree or wherever. I'm gonna double check my connections so that they're tight. I don't wanna be dripping dirty water down into my clean collection bottle, and then open up that little flow stopper there. Open up my trusty Nalgene bottle here again. Another cool thing about the VFX filter is it's used all over the world for humanitarian efforts. So every purchase supports that cause. If you're serious about emergency preparedness, the VFX filter definitely belongs in your kit. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. If you want to be more prepared, follow, share, check out the VFX. Yeah. Ah. Mm-hmm. Ah.